Yo, what's going on, guys? Alright, so today I've got a video for you that I've waited to make for a long time. Ever since I've started recording my fishing and everything, I've had the GoPro Hero 7. With the GoPro Hero 7, you actually get pretty good audio quality, but I wanted something better. If I'm going to be doing YouTube, I want the best audio quality possible, and to get that, unfortunately, with the Hero 7, you need a GoPro mic adapter to hook into an external microphone. I was okay with buying that because obviously most adapters are pretty cheap and you can just go buy one, hook it up, and then you're going to pay for the mic, which is going to be the expensive part, which for a lavalier mic shouldn't be that expensive anyway, but we'll get into that in just a minute. Now, what I didn't realize was that GoPro short printed their external microphone adapters for the Hero 7. Now, why a company would do that, I don't have any idea, honestly, but the adapter itself is $50. It's $50 and it's about this big for a little adapter for the mic. And I was like, whatever, you know what, I'll just go ahead and pay that. They're out of stock. All right, I'll just go to eBay and buy one. $200. $200 is what people are paying for this external microphone adapter. This little plastic adapter with a mini cable, they're paying $200 for it because GoPro won't print anymore. Finally, I think it took 3 months or something, 4 months maybe, of me waiting for this microphone adapter. And finally, Amazon gets it back into stock on like August 6th or something like that. And then I get it shipped to my house and just got it yesterday. So I'm super excited to finally get this thing. It's expensive enough to set up as it is, but could you imagine paying $200 for the mic adapter itself, which is the same price you would pay for the camera? What? No, absolutely not. But anyway, we're gonna get past that. We're gonna get into this. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna set this up, show you a quality of the mic difference, and hopefully this goes really well. All right, so let me show you what all I bought here. So I bought the actual mic adapter itself, which is this 3.5 millimeter mic adapter for the Hero 7. It'll also work for the 6 and the 5. So it's just this little strip here. We're gonna take that out of the box here in just a second. Also, I bought the SmartLav Plus Rode microphone. This is supposed to be one of the best lavalier microphones you can get. Comes with the full cable there, and you can actually use it on your phones and everything as well. So if you don't end up using it just for your GoPro, you can use it for other things as well, which is really cool. Now, to also use this mic adapter with the Rode mic, you also need this TRRS to TRS adapter. Now we're gonna have to hook that up. It's just another unfortunate thing you have to buy, but this thing's actually super cheap. It's just a little bitty tiny cable, so no problem there at all. But these three things, plus if you wanted to buy a wind filter on top of the wind filter that they already give you with the Rode, you can do that as well. I chose not to because they wanted like $15 for that little wind muff. I'm gonna end up creating one myself probably. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing these things and getting this adapter on. All right, so I've got everything out of the box here. Let's go ahead and look at what everything is. So you've got the microphone adapter here itself. This is the 3.5 millimeter adapter for the Hero 7. So you're going to want to take that TRRS to TRS adapter here. That's gonna plug in right there. Your actual lavalier microphone itself is going to plug in here. Let's take a look at the microphone itself. It's just a little microphone here. Got a nice length of cable. You always want to have a nice length of cable with your lavalier microphones just so that you can adjust them to different, levels, whatever your height is and whatever you're trying to use it for. And then it's got a little alligator kind of clip here. So I think this is pretty cool. And a little place for it to hook on, as well as giving you a little piece of Velcro, which is really nice of them, so that you can kind of attach that cable down a little better if you need to. And all of that is going to go into the side of our GoPro here. All right, without further ado, let's set that up. All right, so this is what it's going to look like when it's all set up. I've got the GoPro on here. I've got the mic adapter in here. Your other mic adapter here plugged into the lavalier mic itself. And then that cable run down with the little alligator clip pinned onto the cable here. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually do an audio quality test between the GoPro Hero 7 itself and the lavalier mic. Now I'm going to kind of try to simulate the situations that I typically use them for. I'm going to put this one on my head or on my chest and take the audio quality sample. And then I'm also going to put the lavalier mic pinned onto my chest just to see what that sounds like and see if it's any difference. So we're going to start with the chest and see what kind of audio we get. All right, so currently I am recording with the GoPro Hero 7 without the microphone. Just want to see what the audio quality is like without the microphone. Now I'm doing a audio quality check with the lavalier microphone. Just kind of want to see if it's any better than without the microphone. Hopefully it is. All right, I wanted to do an outside test with the microphone in kind of an echoey environment. So I'm out in a building right here. This is without the microphone plugged in. All right, so this is the test with the microphone plugged in. Let's see how the audio compares when we're outside and our voice is able to travel a little bit further and I'm not talking quite as loud. All right, this is an audio quality test without the microphone while we are on the head cam on our action hat. This is an audio quality test without the microphone. All right, this is an audio quality test with the microphone. Now it's actually going to be just slightly different because I'm able to clip the lavalier mic onto the bill of the hat. So the microphone is in just a slightly different spot, but that's no problem at all. That's just one of the benefits of having this microphone. All right, this is a test with the regular GoPro microphone without the external microphone outside. This is another outside test without the microphone. All right, this is another outdoors test of the microphone. This is with the external microphone. All right, so I just listened to the audio back from those clips, and I have to say that the external microphone provides a much better audio quality. It seems to reduce a lot of the background noise, as well as making my voice sound a lot more clear. It'll reduce that echo, reduce some of the background noise, and get your voice a little bit sharper. Now I wanted to show you what that microphone actually looks like when it's attached, or where I attached those microphones. So on the cap here, I've got it attached just to the side here. Now that little clip, the lavalier mic, obviously gives you that awesome option to clip it on there. Your GoPro's right here and you just attach it right there. Now there are different ways. You can just kind of coil up the cords and put it on here. It's not the prettiest setup, honestly, because the adapter itself is so large. It's one of the bad reviews I have heard about this adapter. It's just because it's so large and bulky. This cable is not like super flexible. It's just not optimal. I don't know why they had to make the cable itself almost as big as the GoPro. It doesn't really make sense to me. But anyway, enough complaining about that. It does provide a good audio quality, so that's what all I wanted, and that's why I'm happy. So put it right there, and then I'll just attach that somewhere to the hat here with either some like bobby pins or some tape or something. I'll just figure some little DIY out for it. The main thing we're trying to figure out here is if the microphone is actually worth it and how to hook it up. So there's that. And then on your GoPro chest mount, on the strap that comes down right here, you just plug it onto the strap there. Very, very simple, but I'm very impressed with the audio quality, very happy with that. So that's a very good thing. But anyway, if you guys want to purchase any of these items, I will be listing all of the things in the description down below. The adapter, the other adapter, and the lavalier microphone itself, as well as the action hat if you guys wanted to purchase that as well. All of those will be affiliate Amazon links in the description down below. Feel free to check those out. I highly recommend this microphone from my first impressions. Obviously, we're going to be using this mic on the water and getting some more use with it later. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It helps me a tremendous amount. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorial videos as well as fishing to come. And as always, guys, even a bad day fishing beats a good day anywhere else. My name's Alex. I will catch you guys in the next video.